Your network is competing every second, not just for coverage, not just for speed, but for you. And you don't even see it. You switch networks when your data is slow. You complain when your calls drop. But behind the scenes, a silent war is happening. Since the early 2000s, operators have been fighting one major battle: coverage. Who reaches more people, who covers more cities, and who connects the rural areas. They build towers, expand their networks, and push into remote locations. Because in telecom, who reaches you first wins you. From around 2005 onwards came the pricing war. Operators started competing on price: cheaper calls, cheaper data, bigger bundles. One operator drops price, others follow, and the users benefit. But lower price, lower margins, and the battle gets tougher. Now, here's what most people don't know. Competitors sometimes cooperate. Infrastructure sharing. From around 2010, operators started sharing towers, sharing fiber. Why? To reduce costs. Building everything alone is too expensive. Even in war, there are alliances. But the real battle today: quality of service. From around 2015 till now, users care more about experience. If your quality is bad, users will switch. Speed, reliability, and stability. If your network is slow, users will leave. If your calls drop, they switch. In telecom, performance is everything. And all these battles: coverage, pricing, quality, infrastructure, they are not just competitions, they benefit you. Better prices, better service, and better experience. Because when operators fight, the users win. So tell me, which network do you trust the most? Drop your answers in the comments and subscribe to Naija Telco Guide for more telecom stories. Stay smart, stay connected. See you next time.